Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are back again with yet another review video. Hope you all are doing great. So today we have brought you a great product guys from the brand of Ant ANT and this is a laptop cooler guys. So this is a product from the brand of Ant Esports that you can see over here. The model of the product is NC210. It's a laptop cooler. It's one of the best products that's available in the market, and in this summer season coming in across, we know our laptops tend to get heat, and which affects the battery performance as well and the longevity. So if you have a laptop cooler, if you're using it, that will help you protect your battery performance for a longer time. So also guys, this laptop cooler comes with multiple features. Let's unbox it, see what we have got inside it, and also look into its features. Now before proceeding with the videos guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to our channel. Let's Review with Krish. You'll find the details over here. Now let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay, so this is a normal packaging. So I have purchased this product guys from Amazon. You will find it in Amazon. It's available. Currently the price of this product is you can check, I guess what's the price of this product guys. I have, the time when I purchased it, there was a discount going. I purchased it during the sale period and I think I got it at a good deal. So yes, let's quickly unbox the products. Okay, normal packaging, some key features given at the back. Okay, let's see what are the things we are getting. So basically what we can see over here is we have got a USB A to USB A, which is a male to male cable guys over here. So one end you need to connect it to the cooler, another one to the power source. So this over here is the cooler guys. This is how it looks. Let me just quickly open it. So on the first look, this is how it looks guys. Small, sleek, lightweight, quality is good. Okay, so we have got a warranty card over here and an instruction manual they have given. Yes, instruction cum warranty cum manual which they have given. So this product guys basically comes with 1 year of brand warranty as well. Apart from this guys, we are not receiving anything else in the product. Now let's look into the functionality of the product, how the product works and what are its key features guys. Okay, now let's look into how the product looks like altogether guys. So as you can see, there is an badging over here and Esports branding. Now we can see there is a LCD display also guys given over here. Plus you have two holding buttons over here, good quality. Now I can see there are 6 fans, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Once I turn it on, you will be able to see it properly. Now let me turn it back. Okay, you have rubber paddings given over here on the 4 ends. You can see the fans guys. These are the fans which are here. This has 4 height modes. You can use 4 different height modes with it guys. See, you can open it like this. Once you open it like this, here is it. I hope you can see. Using this you can set up different height modes over here. So let me just show you the grip. See, there are basically 4 height modes, 1 2 3 and 4. These are the 4 more modes in which the height of this product can be increased. Again, 1 2 3 and 4. Now these are the 2 USB cable. Let me give you a better look. One, you can connect it with the power source and the cooler. That means you can connect it with your laptop and your cooler. Once can be connected. The other, you can connect it with your mouse or any other device that will work with. You can also connect this on a direct power point. We will talk about it in the later stage of the video guys. Now let me just turn this on and show you. See guys, this is the on and off button. This is the different buttons for which is for the fan speed increase and decrease button. So guys, this thing which comes in, this cooler comes with 6 different fan speed modes. So you need to go ahead and keep a long press once it's connected to the power source. Now let me just quickly go ahead and show it to you. So first guys, we are going to use a power bank. So this is a 20,000 mAh power bank. So I'm going to use this power bank to connect the laptop cooler, and you will see that this laptop cooler works also with a power bank, so you can basically carry it everywhere as well. If you're traveling, it's light, it's sleek, it won't have any problem. So it is connected. I'll keep it over here so that you can see. I'm connecting this to the USB port which I showed you. Any of the port, one or two will do. Sorry, it's here this side. I've connected it, it's fine. The power bank, I've kept keeping it here in front of you so that you can see that it's connected with the power bank. Now let me turn it on. See guys, it's on. You can see the lights are on. It's working now. Currently, if you want to see, you will be able to see it very properly how it's working. You can see these are the different RGB light modes which are there, the different colors which are also as well as changing. See, currently you can see that it's on mode 3 over here. This is displaying it. Now let me increase the speed. So this is the plus button. Once you press on it, on the display there's a blue light. You can see the speed is showing. The fan speed has also increased. Now if you want to reduce the fan speed, you can reduce it as well. Just keep pressing it. The speed has reduced. So basically guys, I try to keep it at the speed as third or fourth. Now depending on your use, you can go ahead and keep changing the speed. Okay guys, so now basically I've got an extension cord which is directly connected to my PowerPoint. Now I'm connecting it, my laptop cooler, the male to male cable to a charging adapter. I'm turning the power on. Okay guys, see, now I've connected it to the PowerPoint. Now let me tell you, if you're connecting it directly to the PowerPoint, direct power socket, what will happen is the performance of the fan is going to be much better. The speed from a more than a power bank, the performance that when connected to a power socket will be far better. So why am I connecting it to this? Most of you will connect it to the laptop, right? So the advantage that you will get is connecting to this is you're going to go ahead and get a better performance. Your laptop battery is not going to take the load, so the longevity of the battery is also going to increase. And if you're connecting it to the laptop, one of the points will be occupied always. So it's better you get it connected to an extension cord, to a power point, so the laptop sockets are also not occupied, USB ports are also not occupied, and the battery performance is also better and the longevity increases. So now let me get the laptop and give you another demonstration guys. So here is my laptop guys. I've got it over here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug the USB from the extension cord. Okay, now I'm connecting it on the laptop directly. So the laptop has a battery which is also a power source. Right now what I'm going to do is, once I've connected over there, I'm going to press the button. I'm going to turn on the laptop first. Okay, so now I've connected it to the laptop guys, as you can see. Now I'm going to press the button and turn it on. As you can see, it has got turned on. It's working as well at speed 3. But mind you guys, currently this is using the battery of the laptop as its power source. So it's putting pressure on the laptop battery. Now what you guys can do is, you can guys also can connect your laptop to a PowerPoint, and you can connect the laptop cooler with the laptop. But what is going to happen is, the power source, the medium of the power source is going to be the laptop, so the battery will be under pressure. So it's better you remove it from it, you get an extension cord, or I'm sure you will have an extension, get a charging adapter, connect the laptop cooler to the charging adapter when you're in the house or inside the office. Once you have got this connected, and just connect it, you're good to go. Your laptop is sitting on top nicely, it's getting cooled, and you can use it in this way. I think this is the much better way to go ahead and use it. Okay, for those who are interested, let me tell you the speed, the fan speed, which over here are the fans. The speed of the fans are around the sound produced by these fans are 24 to 28 decibel, which is very low. Okay, the speed ranges between 1500 to 26 to 2800 rpm guys, which is quite enough speed, good speed actually. Now let me show you the height adjustment, guys. Now this is the highest height, the topmost height the laptop can go to. So you have the stoppers over here, you can keep it over here, you can put your laptop over here. I'm showing it to you sidewise so you can understand the height and the elevation it's taking. This is how it's looking. Now if this is how the back look is, this is how you're going to look it from the back. This is how it looks from the side. This is how it looks from the front, guys. Okay. Now let me show you the next height level. So again, you change this, you extend this. This is another height level, guys. Then you can come to another one, which is this level, which is the most commonly used. Now there is another height level that you can reach, is this one, which is basically the standard one. So this is the 4 different height adjustments that you can do in this product, guys. So basically you don't need to get a laptop stand, in which you are getting a laptop cooler as well, plus you're getting a laptop stand inbuilt in this as well. Plus you have 2 socket points, USB points, plus you are getting an LCD display, which most of the laptop cooling fans doesn't have. And out of all the esports cooling fan models which are there, this I think is the most value for money product, guys. So from my end, I think those who needs a laptop cooler fan, you should look into this product, guys. Link is attached in the description. So with that, guys, we come to the end of this video. I hope you have liked the product. You have seen the functionalities of the product. You have seen how the product works and what are the key features. And now let me tell you the price of this product, guys. I have purchased this product at a price of $799. Currently, guys, you will get this product at a price of $999. That's still at a discounted price. On the website of Esports, the price is a bit higher. Okay, I will attach the link of this product in the description box over here, guys. You can check it out over there. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and on our Facebook page. If you have any queries, you can ask us over there. For short clippings, key features of this specific product, you need to click on our Instagram handle or go to my Facebook page. You will find it over there. Now, guys, coming into this product, whether it's a value for money product or not, guys, first of all, let me tell you, yes, it's a thumbs up from my end. It's a value for money product. In terms of price, I will give it a good score. I will give it a 4.5. In terms of performance, I'll give it a 5 out of 5 as of now. In terms of build quality, I'll give it a 4.3 out of 5. So this is actually a value for money product and you can go for it. I would recommend it. I would be using it on my Windows laptop for its performances. And again, as you know, whatever products we review over here, we use it for our daily use. We check how the performances are and we share you the honest feedback, because these are not sponsored videos. These are actual genuine soul review of me after using this product. Okay, so with that, we come to the end of this video. Hope you have liked this video. Don't forget to press the bell icon, subscribe to our channel, and also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. If you have any queries, reach out to us. We would be happy to help you out, guys. I hope you have liked this video, guys. If you have any further query regarding the functionality of the product, regarding the build quality, regarding compatibility, this product supports PCs, Macs, Xbox, PS5, everything. So if you have any queries, you can DM me, you can leave the questions in the comment, you can go to our Instagram page, Let's Review with Krish, or you can check out my Facebook profile, Krishnendu Das, or Facebook page of Let's Review with Krish. Leave your doubts over there and we will get back to you to resolve all your queries, guys. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow us on Instagram so that you can get more detailed queries of yours answered on Instagram.